Hi dear student, welcome to your English class. Today we are going to discuss what is conjunction and we'll discuss the types of conjunctions also. So here is the question, what is conjunction? Conjunctions are actually linking words, the words like and, but, because, they are called conjunctions. We use them every day to link the words, phrases, clauses, or sentences. As you can see in these examples, the bold words are conjunctions. For example, they knocked down all the houses and they built a car park. Here the word and is a conjunction. In next sentence you can see word or is a conjunction and word but in sentence 3 is a conjunction. What is the purpose of the conjunction? Conjunctions serve the purpose of joining, you can say linking the words or phrases or sentences. Now we'll see kinds of conjunctions. Actually, there are three types of conjunctions that join sentences. First one is called coordinating conjunctions. Words like and, but, either, or, they are coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions connect items which are the same grammatical type. What do you mean by same grammatical types? Like these conjunction words are used to join words with words, phrases, and clauses with clauses. If you look at this example 1, connecting words, like conjunction, as I told you that it is used to join words in a sentence. For example, which do you prefer, red or blue? Here red is a word, blue is a word, so the word or is a conjunction. It joins two words, red and blue. So this is coordinating conjunctions. They join words. In this example we have seen in that red is a word, blue is a word, so conjunction or join the words. We discussed that conjunctions also join phrases. If you look at this example, the meal was very expensive and not very nice. Here very expensive and not very nice, they are phrases. So coordinating conjunctions, as they join two grammatical units of equal rank, it means words with words, phrases with phrases. Next sentence number 3, conjunction but is joining or connecting two clauses. There are seats outside, but some people don't like sitting outdoors. Here there are seats outside, it's a clause. Some people don't like sitting outdoors, it's also a clause. So according to this definition, coordinating conjunction connects items which are the same grammatical type. Same grammatical type means words with words, phrases with phrases, connecting clauses with clauses, and sentences with sentences. In sentence number 4 you can see, my grandmother's name was Wall, but she became Jenkins when she got married to my grandfather. In very formal writing we don't normally start a sentence with but we can. Sometimes we can start the sentence with but also. This was the first type called coordinating conjunction. And, but, either, or, they are used to join two grammatical units of the same type. For example, words with words, phrase with phrase, clause with clause, and sentence with sentence. Second, Correlative conjunctions are the conjunctions, they come always in pairs. We use them in pairs, like the words like either or, neither nor, both and. They are called correlative conjunctions. They come in pairs. For example, you can drink chocolate milk either hot in the winter or cold in the summer. Here the combination of the word either and or, it's a correlative conjunction. Correlative conjunctions are used in pairs. We have two more examples we can read. Next, third type is subordinating conjunctions. Like after, although, as soon. Actually, subordinating conjunctions are used to start a subordinate clause. A subordinate clause is a clause that needs another group of words or clause with it to complete the sentence. We mostly start the subordinating conjunction with after, although, as before, if, since, that. One word conjunction, for example, after and before. We have talked on the phone, wrote down what we had decided before we left. 4 o'clock, we had something to eat. So in this lesson we have discussed what is conjunction. Conjunctions actually are the linking words. We use them to join words with words, sentences with sentences, and phrases with phrases. There are three types of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions, and subordinating conjunctions.